welcome to my new blog post 29. In this blog post, I'm going to discuss about project success measures. There will be two parts of this video series related to the project success measures. So let's start. So one of the most common challenges in the project management is determining whether or not a project is successful. So traditionally speaking, the project management matrices of time, cost, scope, and quality have been the most important factors in defining the success of a project. More recently, practitioners and scholars have determined that project success should also be measured with consideration toward achievement of the project objectives. Project stakeholders may have different ideas as to what the successful completion of a project will look like and which factors are the most important ones. It is critical to clearly document the project objectives and to select objectives that are measurable. Three questions that key stakeholders and the project manager should answer are: what does success look like for this project? How will success be measured, and what factors may impact success? So the answer to these questions should be documented and agreed upon by the key stakeholders and the project managers. So let's come towards our star question. So the question is: a project manager of a company is working on three projects A, B, C. He needs to measure the success of the project. Which three factors should he use to measure the success? So the first one is time, cost, and quality. Scope, risk, time, cost, quantity, and time, quality, cost, and stakeholder. So the answer lies within a video. So you need to listen to the video carefully and please let me know about your choice in the comment section of this video.